Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make Valerian tea. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1 teaspoon of dried valerian root, which is readily available. You'll also need 8 ounces of hot water, ideally just off the boil. For an enhanced taste, have some honey or a slice of lemon ready to add after brewing. This simple preparation will help you enjoy a soothing cup. Now, let's steep the tea. Place your 1 teaspoon of dried valerian root into a tea infuser or directly into your favorite mug. Carefully pour 8 ounces of hot water, not boiling, over the root. Allow the tea to steep for 5 to 10 minutes. A longer steeping time will result in a stronger flavor and potentially more potent effects, so adjust to your preference. Once steeped, it's time to strain and serve your tea. If you used an infuser, simply remove it. If the root was loose in your mug, pour the tea through a fine mesh strainer into another cup. Serve the tea warm to enjoy its comforting qualities. Now is the perfect time to stir in a bit of honey or squeeze in some fresh lemon juice if you like, enhancing the flavor profile. For the best experience, consider drinking your valerian tea about 30 minutes before you plan to go to bed. This allows its calming properties to take effect. Store any unused dried valerian root in an airtight container in a cool, dark place to maintain its freshness. Enjoy this warm, earthy beverage as a natural way to unwind and promote a sense of tranquility.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.